Hey, what's up, you guys? So are you looking for an easy side hustle that you can start from home and make $3,000 per month? The best part about this method is you don't need any skills or any experience at all. Now, guys, I get this question all the time, right? They want to invest in courses, they want to invest in mentors, but they don't have any money to get started, right? So I want to show you one of the best side hustles that you can get started here in 2020 and even 2021 that can make you money as soon as this week, okay? Now, inside of this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn a small investment into a four-figure easy side hustle, okay? It's going to be a four-figure per month side hustle. Now, I'm going to show you how to make money from home, but you don't even need any skill, right? Most of these side hustles, you do need a skill. You don't need really any skill for this. I'm going to show you exactly how, right? Now, I'm going to show you how this one website is going to make you some really good income and it's going to basically do all the work for you, okay? We're going to leverage someone else's work and someone else's skill. And I'm going to show you at the end of this video how to get customers almost instantly with this method. So I'm really excited to bring this video to you guys. Now, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos, guys, on how you can make money online, how you can start an affiliate marketing business, and of course, affiliate marketing. Now, the main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, I used to work as an electrical engineer. I honestly hated my job. I hated what I did. I didn't have financial freedom. I didn't have time freedom. So, I was able to basically start my online business in May of 2020. In March of 2020, I quit my job and this is what I do full time. I love it. And that's the main goal of my channel, guys. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. All right. So the method we're going to be doing is freelance graphic designer, but you don't have to have any graphic skills, right? So it's like, okay, how are we going to do this without any graphic skills? So before you click off, before you freak out, guys, I'm going to show you how you can leverage literally a professional to do the work for you, okay? I think you're going to be blown away. And it's not like your typical outsourcing. It's going to be something different, something that you haven't seen before. So first of all, there's so many businesses out there, right? They need YouTube thumbnails. I mean, for me, I'm always looking for freelancers and graphic designers to do YouTube thumbnails, to do my Facebook or banner ads, especially social media ads, right? Like nowadays, everyone needs some sort of graphic, right? Logos, website graphics, literally everything you can think of needs some sort of graphic design, right? And I don't know graphics, guys. I go outsource this to other people, professionals that can do this. So there's a lot of money to be made. Now I'm going to show you this website that's going to do all the work for you and basically unlimited. Okay, so there's a website called Design Pickle. Okay, and let me show you this website, guys. This is going to blow your mind. Okay, now what this website does is basically it does design for you. Okay, and I'm going to talk about how it works, but basically let me just show you kind of the things they do here. So you can see they have brochures here. So if I click on brochures, they have brochure designs they can do. They have custom illustrations here. Look at that, even have a picture of Kobe. They have digital here. They do, let me see here, they do social media ads. Like they do a lot of things on here, guys. So you can see that the potential is unlimited. Now I'm going to show you why this is important in just a second, okay? Now, if I go to pricing, you can see that you can literally get unlimited, basically unlimited requests, right? Unlimited graphic requests, unlimited revisions, unlimited brand profile, like literally everything is unlimited, okay? Now, I know this is kind of expensive, right? $399 per month, but before you pay, let me show you how you can get some customers and then you can go back and use Design Pickle. Now, why would you want to do this? Because you can literally get hundreds of clients, hundreds of people that need design, and then you can go to them and you have unlimited designs. Like it's literally one of the best business models with a very low investment. Think of this $399 as a business investment, right? Which it is, right? It is a business investment, but a lot of people don't look at it that way. They look at it as they're losing money. So let me explain how you can get customers as fast as possible. Okay, so what we're gonna do is basically go to Fiverr.com. Now this is the first method here. I'm gonna show you another method that's even faster than this. So stay till the end of the video, guys. But basically, if we go to, let's just say YouTube thumbnail, right? So people are always looking to get their YouTube thumbnails done. I'm always looking to get my YouTube thumbnails done. You know, that you got these prices here. You got $10, you got $10 here, 15. So not a huge amount, right? But then if I mean, basically the goal here is to get as many people as possible, right? So you can see this guy has 600 orders here. This girl has 729 orders here. This guy has 1,000 orders, right? So, you know, 1,000 orders at $10. I mean, that's basically $10,000, right? And this is just the reviews. I mean, I'm sure not everyone writes a review, right? Now, what you want to do with this method, right, is basically go and create your own profile here. Okay. Now, this is basically you're not risking anything right now, right? I wouldn't go and purchase this yet until you design your own profile. Okay, now what I would do is I would be very, very competitive. Okay, now remember, you're gonna have a professional designer. Okay, so you can compete with all these people. If anything, you're gonna probably be better because these guys are literally professionals when it comes to design. Okay, I've actually gotten a lot of my designs with Design Pickle, so I can vouch for them, guys. So and I'm not affiliated with them, anything like that. Okay, I'm just showing you this amazing side hustle that I would take advantage of if you're looking to turn a small investment into a large investment. Now, what I would do is look for the top people, okay? Like, for example, this one really stands out here. I believe I actually used this guy before, but what I would do is go and see what he's doing, right? He has a video here. He's a quick basic service here. He has a standard service. You can see he has a premium service here, 15 thumbnails for $110. It really doesn't matter for you, right? You can go and do it. You can get unlimited design for $110, or that's how much they're going to pay you, right? Now the goal is to basically do something like what he's doing, right? Basically do a very nice profile. You know, you got a nice title here, you got a nice about this gig. So I would literally not copy, but basically model what he has, right, in your own words, in your own terms. And then basically what I would do, the main thing is make sure this price is a lot lower so you can start building up reviews. Okay, now this is the first method. This is what I would do either way. Now if you want a faster method to start getting some quicker sales, what I would do is go to a Facebook group right here. Now go to Facebook and go to a group called ClickFunnels. Okay, now basically this is a business group. Tons of people are looking for graphic design, but let me show you exactly how to find these people and how you can literally get their service almost instantly. Okay, we're going to type in here graphic design. So if you add yourself to this Facebook group, you can actually go and search within the group. Now it's going to go search with people searching this actual keyword here, right? So you can see here, I'm looking for the best unlimited graphic service. If you can graphic design something like this, message me. You can literally find people that are just waiting to get their graphic design services, right? And I mean, you can charge them, guys. I mean, $40, $50, $60, $80 for one design, right? And it's not going to cost you. You're not going to use any time. All you got to do is go to Design Pickle and say, hey, I need this design. Boom, they're going to do it for you. And you can, I mean, essentially get as many clients as you want, right? Because you're not doing the work. You're outsourcing it to professionals, right? So guys, you can make a ton of money with this method. Like, this is really exciting because you don't need a ton of money to make this method work, right? It's an easy side hustle that you can start doing. I mean, like I said, the main thing I would do here is, I would still create your Fiverr profile, but at the same time, I would go and, go to Facebook groups and find people looking for design, and you could get those faster clients while Fiverr is getting you clients for free, right? People are always looking for like graphic design, right? If I even type in graphic design here, so many people are looking for this. Let's look at Google. Let's just see how many people are looking for graphic design. Okay, let's just see. I'm curious to know, because I bet you this is like hundreds of thousands. Look at that. That's almost 1 million searches per month. That's insane, guys. So people are always needing graphic design, especially me. I spend so much money on graphic design. So you might as well take a piece of the pie. Now, guys, this is a great way to make money online. This is, turning a small investment to a big investment, but you're trading time for money, right? So the goal, guys, is to basically build a passive income business, right? The main goal of my channel is to help you build that passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. At least with this side hustle, you can make money but you're still trading time for money, right? Which is fine. If you love doing this, that's perfectly okay. But what I teach in my channel is passive income with affiliate marketing. If you do affiliate marketing right, you can basically have a passive income business that's paying you while you sleep, while you're traveling, while you're, on vacation. And that's the main goal, guys. I mean, that's what I wanted to build for me and my family. I wanted to leave my job. So if you want to learn how I was able to go from 0 to 6 figures in 9 months, I have a link in the YouTube description below. It's a free webinar, free training that's going to walk you through my whole system on how I was able to do this. And within, like I said, 9 months, I was able to quit my job, guys. So I'm inviting you to that free training. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this video. If you're gonna, start this side hustle, because there's so many ways to make money online, so many ways, and I'm gonna bring you the best content out there, guys. So anyways, I hope this video was of value. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys soon. God bless.